In today's video, I will teach you how to drop a drop shadow effect to text in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, and if you have an existing project, open it by clicking File, then Open, and if not, you can create a new project and add your text using the Type tool. On the right side of the screen, find the Layers panel. Now click on the text layer to which you want to add the drop shadow effect. Right-click the text layer in the Layers panel and select Blending Options from the context menu, or simply double-click directly on the text layer. In the Layer Style dialog box, select the drop-down option on the left side. And you can also adjust the drop-down settings. With the blend mode, you can set how the shadow blends with the layers below it, and it is usually set to multiply. Opacity is for adjusting the transparency of the shadow. Angle is for setting the direction of the light source, which controls the shadow's angle. And for the distance, it determines how far the shadow is from the text. Spread controls the size of the shadow edges. And size adjusts the blur or sharpness of the shadow. As you make adjustments, you'll see the changes in real time on your text. And once you're satisfied with the drop shadow effect, click OK to apply the effect to your text. And you can save your project by clicking File, then save as PSD to keep the layers editable. And if you want to export the final image, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred format like PNG or JPEG. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.